Hey, Sprouts! Something is eating my tomato plants. Can you guess what it is?
Do you think it is a ladybug? Maybe it's a honeybee. Or do you think it is the tomato hornworm?
If you said tomato hornworm, you're correct. These pesky critters will gobble tomato plants, then turn into a hawk moth and fly away. But nature's got a secret superhero, the braconid wasp. She lays her eggs inside the hornworm. And when the baby wasps are ready, they crawl out and spin those little white cocoons you see on its back. Sounds gross, right? But it's awesome for the garden, because those wasps stop the hornworms from eating all our tomatoes. So if you ever spot a hornworm covered in white cocoons, don't squish it. That's nature's pest control at work. Grow smart, grow kind, and keep growing, Sprouts.